In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Great Notion support services. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get into Notion, create a fresh page, and add a file using the / command, all in a clean, reliable way. We'll start right in your browser. Head to your favorite search engine and type Notion. Look for the official Notion website in the results. It should clearly say Notion and take you to the home page. Clicking the official result helps you avoid lookalikes and ensures you're using the most up-to-date experience. Once you're on the Notion homepage, click Login. If you already have an account, sign in with your usual method, whether that's email, Google, or another option you've previously used. If your workspace selection appears, choose the workspace where you'd like to add your new content. This keeps everything organized from the start. After you're in, create a new page. You'll see a New Page option, typically in the sidebar or near your Workspace Pages list. Click it to open a fresh blank canvas. It's a good idea to give your page a clear title now so you can find it easily later, especially if you work across multiple projects. Next, click into the body of the page. This is the main writing area where all your content lives. You'll see a blinking cursor, confirming you're ready to type. If your page shows a template picker or prompt, just click into the empty area to begin. Now, type the / command, File. The / is a quick way to summon Notion's command palette. As you type, Notion filters the available blocks to match what you've entered. This is a fast, consistent method that works anywhere inside a page. From the filtered list, select File. Choosing File tells Notion you want to add a file block, which is perfect for uploading documents, PDFs, or other assets that you want stored directly on the page. If you see other similar options, make sure you pick File for a straightforward upload. Finally, click Choose a File. This opens your computer's file picker so you can navigate to the document you want. Select the file you need and confirm. Notion will upload it and place it right in your page. You'll see a file block appear, and from there you can drag it to rearrange your layout, add a short caption for context, or keep typing additional notes. That's it. You searched for Notion, logged in, created a new page, clicked into the body, used the File command, chose File, and selected your file. Your page saves automatically, so you're good to go. Thanks for watching, and happy building in Notion.